everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and today I am going to share with you Navaratri special Semiya Payasam. This is the Seviya Kheer or the Seviya pudding, the Semiya pudding, the vermicelli pudding that we make in a classic Indian style. Well, now let's get back to the recipe. Pour 1 tablespoon of ghee in a heavy bottom pan and allow the ghee to melt. Once the ghee melts, add some cashew nut into it and roast it in a slow flame till it turns nice golden brown in color. Now the cashew nuts have turned nice golden brown in color. Let's take it out of the flame. I'm going to add another tablespoon of ghee into it. Into it add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of raisins and saute till it starts to swell nicely in this ghee. Delicious aroma. You can see everything is swelled well and nice. Let us now take this out and separate it, take it out in another dish. Now into the same pan add about 1.5 cups of semiya or vermicelli. These are broken vermicelli. It is easily available in the market. And roast it till it becomes nice golden brown in color. Now in another vessel, let us pour some milk and boil it. I have added about 500 ml of milk into it. Bring the milk to a boil. Alright, now the milk has started to boil. Let us take it out of the flame. It's starting to boil. In the meantime, we will check our vermicelli as well. Alright, now you can see that our vermicelli has become nice golden brown in color. Has become nice savory. Now, once it has become nice golden brown, you can see that it has become very good and golden brown. Now we will pour in the milk into this container with the roasted vermicelli. Mix it well. Keep the flame slow and cook the vermicelli in it. Allow the vermicelli to cook well and nice. This will become like a pasta, spaghetti. It will become a spaghetti kind. It will be very soft and cooked from the inside. That is the consistency of the vermicelli or the semiya to be cooked. We are cooking it in the milk. Now let us go ahead and add about 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can add sugar as per your sweetness. I am adding about 4 tablespoons of sugar in it. Mix it well and allow it to cook in a very slow flame. Alright, now the semiya has cooked well and nice. I will go ahead. You can also see that the milk has reduced a lot. Earlier it was like watery. Now it has become a semi-liquid consistency. If you want, you can add some more milk into it. I'm going to switch off the flame right here. And let us now take it out in a serving dish. This is the consistency of the Semiya Payasam. Now we will go ahead and add some cashew nut and raisins into it. Into a serving dish. Let us garnish it with some raisins and cashew nuts. There you go. Delicious Semiya Payasam is now ready to be served. Enjoy this Navaratri season with this wonderful dessert. This is a very traditional recipe, and also it is very tasty and very quick to make. And also this is my another one of the other I look for my other channel, Veena's Beauty Tips. This is how I made my hairstyle, and this is the look, and this is another style that I have worn for this Navaratri festival. If you want to check out this look, you can also go to Veena's Beauty Tips YouTube channel and you can check it out there. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and do try this recipe out during this festival season, and do let me know how it turned out. And please do post in your comments and feedback in the comment box. I would love to read them and reply to them as well. And if you have any suggestions for recipes, do post it and I will make the video and keep you updated. Well, thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. You have a wonderful Navaratri festival. Bye bye.